Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's video is all about my puppy dog, Zuko. I haven't done a video with him in quite some time. When I started my YouTube channel, it was actually called Zuko the Shiba. All my videos were based around him, and we had so much fun making cute little videos. Here, check him out. This is him. Mr. Zuko. Hi, buddy. As you can tell by the title of the video, today we are gonna be walking my dog for an hour. He is unneutered, and we are gonna see how many times he will pee in that hour. I have done this video before. It was one of my first videos that I uploaded to my channel. Turn the clocks forward, a year later, we are gonna make this one a lot more epic and a lot more fun. Place your bets, guys, in the comments below, how many times you think he will pee in 1 hour. And let's have some fun. Okay, as soon as this door opens, the time is gonna start. Go. All right, let's begin. Get ready, guys. This dog is a machine. Pee number one. Get ready for this, you guys. He is gonna sniff out almost everything and pee on it.
You heard the man. I'm gonna pee on everything.
2.
Oh, damn, that smells good.
3. Check out that strut. The dog is a model. 4.
Back off, mailman. I'm peeing.
5. 6. 'Does anyone else think of Abbey Road when they're crossing a crosswalk? Or is it just me? Maybe it's just me. 7. 'Zuko, it's a fire hydrant. You don't want to pee on the fire hydrant? Whatever, there's many more to come. 8. 10 minutes has elapsed. 9. 10. Attaboy, Zuko, you get those cones. The construction in the city is so loud. 11. 12. 13.
These bushes are so good.
14. 15. 'Attaboy, Zuko, you get it again. 16. 17.
Usually these things stink. They smell pretty good now.
17.
Ooh, this one smells good too.
18. 20 minutes has elapsed.
Oh, hey, hello there. Ah, you're pretty cute, you little black thing. Shiba Tornado! Ah, that was cute.
$19.
Ah, that stinks. Back to my good old friends, the bushes.
20. 30 minutes has elapsed. 21. 22. Jesus, 22, Zuko? How many more do you have left in the tank? Oh my god, another fire hydrant. Zuko, come on. You got this one, bro. Come on. Come on. $23.
Just gonna pee in this grassy spot here.
$24. 'Oh, you know what? Fine. I give up. But just look at him. He wants to be peed on.
Pump fake.
$25.
Shiba Tornado.
40 minutes has elapsed. 26. What are you doing, Zuko? I'm not exactly sure what this is.
It doesn't matter, just run!
$27. 28.
Morning. How are you?
29.
Good.
Zuko, that way, bro!
Shut up, but I want to pee on the fire hydrant. Whoa, holy crap, what is that smell? It smells good. Jesus.
30. 31.
'Pay on me. Shut the hell up, birds. I'm trying to pee.
32. 32. Jesus. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys, I live in Canada. 33. "55 minutes has elapsed. 5 minutes remaining." 35. No pee from this Sheba. 36. 37.
How's it going?
Doing great. How are you, brother?
Good, dude.
1 minute remaining.
Alright, since there's only 1 minute left, I'm gonna flick my feet and give you the Shiba tornado.
Time's up.